Yabo, yabo, impilo emnandi, izulu eluhlasa, izinyawo zikhululekile, amathunzi ezihlahla.
So Khehla, can you kindly take us through a process yomdliwa? You know, because we've been getting a whole lot of questions around that spirit ukuthi, you know, hamba kanjani nje.
Mina. All right. Okay. I thought mhlambe uzozicacisela but ke Khehla nayindaba la ikhona. Mhlambe even if we listen to the term umdliwa, like uyadliwa angithi yabona. So now we amongst a lot of spirits that we get in terms of imimoya le khona, we find the spirit like umdliwa. So basically it's a spirit esingasho ukuthi it's either it can be a foreign spirit, or also it can be a spirit idlozi ukuthi mhlambe kwabe idlozi lasekhaya balixosha and then agcine selihamba selohlala eintabeni kanjalo. So now during that phase mhlambe ukuthi it happened ukuthi mhlambe lo muntu wagcina sekahamba mhlambe ohlala eintabeni,
Yes.
Leaving the family, right? Because namanje usathola inyanga ezinye ukuthi mhlambe between them and the family abekho right, and then bagcina sekahamba umuntu ahlalela egangeni angithi yabona. So then uthola ukuthi mhlambe nokushiya kwakhe washiya kabuhlungu, and then uthola ukuthi mhlambe uzothi ke mhlambe sekandlula ke lapho ke emhlabeni la bese kakhona. Then bese sokuba ispirit esiromayo esifuna indawo esi-revengeful. Angithi yabona. So it's like now leso spirit sesifuna ukuzopheya i-revenge ukuthi kahle kulo yamndeni bangenza kabuhlungu angithi yabona. So now uzothola ukuthi mhlambe ke maybe ke uthola ukuthi maybe someone from the family, whether mhlambe ngathi baye emanzini athi uzele emanzini, or it can be even at school because lo moya ungawuthola noma kuphi angithi yabona. Or kwesinye isikhathi uthola kuba nezinyanga ezisile futhi ezikwazi ukuthi futhi zikuthumele ngale dlozi lelo ukuthi uzohlupheka.
Okay.
Yes. Yes, bayakwazi ukuthi bathathe the same spirit bese bakuthumele ngalo, then wena uzophupha kube ngathi unedlozi unamabhayi kanjalo angithi yabona. But then what happens from lapho ke thothi then soqala usuyalandelela ke uzothi hayi okay ngine gift vele usuyalandelela, kanti ulandelela lo moya ongcolile ozoyenzani ozodla uzomosha basically. Yes, ingakho sizothi umdliwa because all it does, it's an evil spirit ezele ukuzomosha. It can appear as idlozi, giving you all the same traits as abantu abadala, bakunikeza amabhaya, kunikeza amabhitsa, kunikeza yonke into, but uthola ukuthi whether ungene ephehlweni uhamba ungene ephehlweni, muse sephehlweni you end up fighting nabogobela, you end up fighting na wonke umuntu. So basically when you jump from iphehlo nephehlo ube indlondo yephehlo ungaqedi iphehlo simply because of the spirit vele sizele ukuzomosha. Uthola ukuthi endlini what then happens is kulibele nje kuphuma imali libele kuthiwa hayi mhlambe umkhulu ukuthi ufuna mhlambe simhlabele ini hlezi kuyahlatshwa but akuze kuze kulunge because instead bekazela ukuzoyenzani lo mdliwa, bekazela ukuzodla uzomosha kule family, whether be it beze ngoba bekanale ya revenge yakho ukuthi I want to pay revenge kule family because mhlambe whoever or whatever ke mhlambe it's something that happened in that family abamdina ngayo or whatever the fights that was. But sometimes also it might not be idlozi lasekhaya.
Okay.
Angithi yabona. So ngathi ukuthi nje idlozi nje lasesigangeni idlozi nje ilimbi vele kwathola ukuthi nathunyelwa ngalo. So ozolibela uthola ukuthi ke mhlambe whether ngene umntwana ungene umama ungene ubani wasekhaya, uthola ukuthi then it keeps on then bringing problems. It brings problems and problems. There will never be peace in that family as long as success nalelo dlozi lelo lomdliwa idlozi nje eliza nekhwama ezimbi.
Wow. Okay.
Yes.
So njengoba ke uchaza ukuthi operator kanjani, now should even other people get caught up in the mix yokuthi limoshe noma lidle futhi. It does not only focus ekudleni emndenini kuphela.
It's going to affect everyone. Asithathe from this point. Thingithi mhlambe lo muntu selimngenile ledlozi lomdliwa, right?
Yes.
Uyaphupha amabhayiki kumele ahamba ayothwasa.
Yes.
Uyaya mhlambe uye ephehlweni lomuntu la ayothwasa khona ngithi uya kugobela uyothwasa. If lelo dlozi still lingabonwanga ngaleso sikhathi ukuthi kahle kahle lo muntu akanabantu abadala kusidlozi kufanele ngabe lathwaselwa le idlozi kumele ligezwe lihambe lilahlwe licela ukuthi lihambe angithi abantu. So if that doesn't happen, then what will happen after kuba ukuthi lo muntu lo uzoba inhlupho even nakulelo phehlo lelo.
Wow.
Yes, because that's when sometimes uzothola ukuthi mhlambe abanye abantu angisho bangangizwa kahle angisho ukuthi a lot of people abagcine balwa nabogobela babo is because of that bangangizwa kahle.
And can I just interject? Funny thing, njengoba ukhuluma ngokulo ngogobela kufika nje istory sikagogo wami naye ngenkathi zakhe kudala le ke wayephehlweni wala nogobela shaya igobela washaya nomfazi but yena kanadlozi lomdliwa cha kodwa ke fika nje leso story uthi hey naye nje wabadonora nje wadena angeke azokliniswa angeke azophekelana nabantu la yena nje angeke uzele nje ukuzothwasa if abamenzisi lento kungcona phuma somewhere.
Yes, you see yasathe mhlambe istory sikagogo wakho you are 100% right. Khona abantu abanjalo by they honestly feel ukuthi angeke bazolawulwa ngalo ndlela bazele uzwenza lo msebenzi abathunyelwe wona and it ends there angithi uyabona. So there is a personality yabantu ababanayo and also there is spirits that can also affect. So ingakho kwesinye isikhathi kuba into ukuthi ke mhlambe ke naleso sigodlo mhlambe umuntu osekafikile kusona ugobela needs to then be able to see ukuthi mhlambe ke ayila sizodila nenkinga enjani, is it personality or is it a spirit? Sometimes also again singablame abogobela because account ukuthi na ugobela umuntu, right?
Yes.
They will try and give you the best that they can give you according to what they know. But kwesinye isikhathi kuyenzeka kube nezinto ezohamba ziphandle or it happens.
Okay.
Angithi uyabona we can't always say abogobela they always have to be 100% right. Human lentoza mistakes happen. There's a lot of things that happen uma umuntu obekwe ukuthi you need to lead others. Angithi uyabona if it wasn't the case, which means then even the same time in this country we'll only be having one gobela. Everyone should be going to that gobela because that person will be so perfect. But it doesn't happen like that. Angeke futhi ayenzeka kanjalo. Khona abantu ozobalapha khona abantu ongeke ubalapha. That's basically how it works in the spiritual realm. Yes, because remember at the end of the day asiphethwanga siphethwe. Everyone, whether unabantu abadala, whether we are nesithunywa, sonke we report somewhere. Idlozi lakho report somewhere. Isithunywa report somewhere. Angithi uyabona. So then the planet itself or indalo creation ithi uNkulunkulu uthi ngizonikeza kancane nakumunye ngifihlo kunye nokumunye ngifihlo kunye nokumunye ngifihlo omunye ukuze nizongikhumbula ukuthi ngubani. I'm the creator, not nina. You understand? So sometimes as much as uzoya kulelo phehlo mhlawumbe uthi uyothwasa and what not, always leave room for such things ukuthi mhlambe ngenzeka we don't get it right mhlambe nogobela according to nedlozi mhlambe elikulethile. Sometimes mhlambe ulethwe isipoko angithi yabona. Sometimes ungena vele kule phehlo kanti ugobela is going through izinto zakhe angithi yabona. So as much as yes uzobukhipha imali yakho ukuthi mhlambe uyothwasa isikhathi all those things also kubalekile ukuthi constantly also connect nabantu bakini ulibele ucela ukuthi hey man ngikhanyiseleni angithi yabona because you also find we're talking just about the process of initiation. You also find umuntu angena uthi uzothwasa ungena kwakhe 3 days later the same bekunedlozi belemtshelile ngithi azongena azothwasa 3 days later limphuphise lithi thatha ikhwama zakho uhambe umuntu angahambi ahlale. Yes. Okay. Ahlale kuze kube gcine sebalwa nogobela gcine sekuba a whole lot of lentos kanti isithunywa sakho idlozi lakhe lathi thina sishap why you would find ukuthi kwesinye isikhathi mhlambe kuleyo 3 days lento kade bayifuna kulelo phehlo sebayitholile.
Wow.
Yes, kuleyo 3 days or just a day ungena kwakho bafika mhlambe lese mhlambe bahlabela inkukhu bayakushayela ngithi ungena kwakho lelo dlozi leli mhlambe belihleli kuwena.
Yes.
Right? Elalini nesikolodo salokho ukuthi kwakumele loshayelwa. Ungena nje kwakho kushayelwa seliqedile done.
Sure.
Emveni kwalokho a day after or 2 sebayakuphuphisa bathi phuma kulelo phehlo lelo. Right? So ukuthi now membathi phuma seqala kuphakama ithunywa mhlambi. Right?
Okay.
Because ledlozi leli elalinaleso sikolodo lalidinga nje ukuthi lihambe lishayelwe, then that's it, lihambe lihlehle libuyele emalwandle and that's it.
Okay.
Angithi yabona.
That's
Yes.
insightful.
Uyothola ukuthi mhlambe years later mhlambe 5 years later liphinde futhi libuye ledlozi selithi ke manje hayi sekuyisikhathi ke manje sokuthi songayophetha. Angithi yabona. So whatever it had wanted ngalesa sikhathi bekuyisikolodo
Selithole.
lathola ngaleso sikhathi mhlambe wathi nje ngena ukuthi uyodla ibhudlu belifuna nje ubhudlu kuphela not the whole ntwaso at that particular time.
So it goes back to what you've just said ukuthi with God's creation unikeza lo nalo.
Yes.
There are hidden powers or whatsoever, and then you as a particular individual mhlambe along indlela yakho ke bazokuthumela nakwezinye indawo ukuthi undlule la thole whatever kumele ukuthi ukuthole uqhubeke ngendlela yakho, then uzufike to your final destination, maybe ukuthi ugcina uba umthandazi or ugcina uba isangoma, maybe uqala isithunyweni ungene ephehlweni lesithunya wenza whatever uhlala isikhashanyana uphume, then kanti ebungomeni uphelelise yonke into or vice versa.
Yes, 100%. 100%. Because njoba ngichaza ukuthi khona abantu mhlambe for instance abadalela ukuthi uyoba isangoma.
Yes.
Indlela yakhe iba lapho. Angithi yabona.
Yes.
Khona umuntu odalela ukuthi uyophatha ikhwama. Angithi yabona.
Yes.
Khona umunye ozothi angaya 3 process yokuba isangoma, then seke kumele graduate mhlamba yoba inyanga or mhlamba yoba isanusi. Angithi yabona.
Okay.
Kusuka lapho bamgraduate sabamnikeza ijazi mhlambe ijazi elimnyama.
Yes.
Topic for another day. Ijazi elimnyama. Yabona. So uthola ukuthi igaba of your journey sesihamba zakuthokozana. Uthola ukuthi igaba ze journey yakho zithi mesifika at a certain point sebathi no lokya so is done. Bekuyisikolodo mhlambe sika umkhulu umagwaza kade akungenile and usumphethele and that's it, which is okay. The same way we still find kuba nabantu mhlambe uthola ukuthi bahamba bathwasa bavula indumba.
Yes.
Sharp mhlambe kube kanti basebenze for leso sikhathi leso, and then after kuphele bese umuntu athathe yathi ke yena sekashisa uyinsindisweni. Yes, it happens, right? But how then you'll also find ukuthi mhlambe then what will happen even after.
Yes.
Ukuthi then the same person behambila thwasa at one point they were like, hey, dlozi this, dlozi, right?
Yes.
And then now that sekuphakama isithunywa sensindiso, now they start talking bad
About the ancestral stuff.
about the ancestral stuff. Laba buya khona. Now, not understanding ukuthi it's all God's creation.
Yes.
Even idlozi is God's creation, whether we like it or not, whether we can choose to say and demonize it on yonke into esiyibonayo kulomhlaba it uNkulunkulu, whether we like it or not. Angithi yabona. So uthola ukuthi umuntu fine when they leave that part sebabatshela ukuthi ayi ikhwama sikuphelile isikhathi sabo seyikhwama. Angithi yabona sebaphethile lesa sikolodo lesi mhlambe sikamkhulu sikagogo. Now sebangaqhubeka ngelife yakho, umuntu akahamba yosebenza like normal, right? Umuntu ayensindisweni, then they start demonizing. Yeah, I don't want lento za lento za yibi bad. But at that time it gave them food. At that time it fed their kids.
Yes.
Angithi yabona. So now that things have changed, now they feel the need ukuthi they need to demonize demonize
Yes.
whatever, which is not an okay thing. Yingakho again mengisho ukuthi even with that,
Yes.
it's still gonna catch up with them. Whether izoye ebantwaneni, it will still catch up, because whatever that we do, it will always come back. It will always come back.
True,
So yes. So also going back to because we started Lendaba ngedlozi lomdliwa
Lomdliwa,
size sifike. Yes. So we still find ukuthi phezulu kwesimo sedlozi lomdliwa lingathatha likhambise man. Libe
Yes.
likhipha imali. That's all it does. Keep imali lixabanisa nabantu. Uyalwa whether ulwa nabantwana bakho ulwa, like you are always constantly fighting. That's when you know ukuthi kahle kahle kunenkinga angithi yabona, because abantu abadala abangenayo, yes, they come with their own struggles, they come with their own pain, but khona izinto obona ukuthi le akuseseyibo la, there's something beyond. Yes, there's something beyond.
Okay. So, and with regards to idlozi lomdliwa, let's say for argument's sake, naku I possess such a spirit with family, and then ngihambe ngiyothwasa and whatnot. Can it be possible ukuthi mhlambe ke idlozi lasekhaya maybe lifike kuwe lizoku-alerta about the spirit esesingenile esengize ngagcine ngayosithwasela ukuthi no akusidlozi lasekhaya, akusumoya wasekhaya lo, maybe it's a foreign spirit or whatsoever, or idlozi just steps back and watches?
Kunento esingafuni ukuyamkela, right? Ezohlezi is sometimes isibeka nathi inkinga.
Yes.
Abantu abadala, they can come, but they're not going to come to you.
Okay.
Because when awufana nomuntu who's captured already, angithi yabona, you are captured already, so they're not going to come to you. They can come to mhlambe umntwana endlini, they can come through someone else endlini, angithi yabona, ukuthi hayi man, hey tshelani ubani,
Yes.
there's that problem, angithi.
Yes.
But because you are captured, in most cases you wouldn't even want to listen to them. Angeke ufune ukubalalela uzothi
Yes.
hey mina ngizithwasele,
Yes,
angithi yabona. So
yes.
without you even realizing ukuthi kahle kahle there's something ekuwena now emoshayo, like literally.
Yes.
So abantu abadala, when it comes to that, in most cases they're not going to come to you. They'll always choose someone who's closer. They can come to umuntu wase family, inkinga also ukuthi even when they come to umuntu wase family uzofeel ukuthi eish unomona lo, or all those things, mhlawumbe ufuna ledlozi lami, angithi yabona. So
Yes.
uthola ukuthi ke then you don't listen, then it goes on and on and on and on up until mhlambe ke you end up finding someone mhlambe ozokuhlola,
Yes.
because if abantu bakini ngempela they want to try and pass a message, bangagcina usathi uhamba nje endleleni uhlangane nomuntu ozovela athi hey kunento kanje kanje kanje, hambani ulungisa lenkinga le, and only then angithi uyabona.
Okay.
Yes.
And then in terms of now having to ukuthi sithole that problem ukuthi okay sekune indaba nje umoya nje akusuma sekhaya nantontoni nomdliwa and what not, is it possible ukuthi ngithole usizo maybe with getting rid of that spirit? And if maybe yes, could you kindly share with us, not deep but just basic stuff?
Okay. Angazi ukuthi sizoqala kuphi. So I'm going to take you to ipart yomndao nokufemba, right? So from a process of ukufemba, we are able to pick up that spirit.
Okay.
Angithi yabona,
Yes.
ukukhipha ukuthi eish lo muntu uhamba nedlozi elikanje, kahle kahle akusi idlozi lasekhaya, isipoki lesi
Yes.
ekumele sambe solahla. So from ukufemba we able to get that.
Yes.
Also mhlambe even mhlambe isithunywa sakho mesikwazi mesilayitile, or mhlambe amakhosi ohamba nawo bayakwazi ukutshela, even mhlambe nasemathembeni bakutshela ukuthi hayi mhlambe lesi uthatha ithambo, kube nethambo lezomela libhekile, libe nobumnyama phezulu,
Yes.
but lihlezi phezulu kwesimo sedlozi. Sometimes uthola ukuthi mhlambe uzolo besithi hayi bakuvala idlozi,
Yes.
but when ulandelela ukuthi man lento iza ngathi idlozi, angithi yabona, so lobumnyama buza ngathi buyidlozi, that's why mhlambe yes lobumnyama buhlala phezulu kwesimo
Bacindezela,
edlozi, angithi yabona. So that's when ke again lapha kumele ubhizi ulandelela uzama ukujula ngayo. So yes, esusabuza ukuthi ke ikhona indlela yokuthi ke ingalahlwa like njengoba ngisho ukuthi from umndawo they able to do that. Also kuba namakhambi whereby ngahlanganisa kuba namakhambi lawo ke akwazi ukuthi ahlanganiswe lihambe lahle lihambiswe namanzi emfuleni. Yes, so there is a process esikwazi ukuthi kuyenziwe ngayo.
Okay, and then after sesisuse leso spirit ngenze ukuthi maybe ngene komunye umuntu within the family, or once sesisusile maybe from me particularly, so si vale lo mkhokha of some sort.
Okay, in my experience, I've never gotten a case whereby after susiwe then it goes to omunye umuntu wasemndenini. Ingakho uzothola ukuthi mhlambe let's say from i process ukuthi lo lahlwe emanzini angithi yabona, so uzohambiswa nalezo zambatho lezo. Let's also just see na kumndawo.
Okay.
So we have umdliwa esinje coming esidlozi zenza umnguni, right?
Yes.
And then let's also go back to umndawo. Kunamandawo amaningi,
Yes.
like spirits
Yes.
agcwele in our country,
Yes.
right? Angene abantu abaningi,
Yes.
ne? Whereby you'll find ukuthi a lot of people then they will have like really bad dreams.
Yes.
Nini uphuphe mhlambe let's say lo umndawo mekayeza lo mkhulu ogogo mhlambe uza ulimele, all those things, right?
Yes.
Like kuba umuntu nje othusayo,
Yes.
ne? So whereby okunye mhlambe uziveza ngathi umntwana, ne?
Yes.
So you find ukuthi mhlambe lo mndawo loyo suke akungenile,
Yes.
kunokuthi aparulwe ukuthi aphakamise ukuthi asebenze, angeke asebenze. Never.
Okay.
Kumele kahle kahle akhushulwe bese ahanjiswe.
Okay.
Acela ukuthi ahamba abuyele mhlambe eMutapa, abuyele eMozambique la, because you find ukuthi some of those spirits kahle kahle lawo amandawo athathwa from Mozambique ukuthi azosebenza la alethe umnotho, angithi yabona. So mhlawumbe umkhulu wayesebenza ngayo lo mndawo akasekho emhlabeni, nawo lo mndawo sekahlezi la ekhaya, sokuba yabona, sokuba ilelo dlozi lelo elihluphayo. So noma kulibe kuthiwa mhlawumbe lesi uyathwasa o inini, ulibe uyavela uhamba umparule, usathi umparulile kube yinkinga, libele nje kuyinkinga, bathi hayi njengoba ulanda umndawo lokuqala kumele ulande omkhulu wesithu mhlambe, angithi yabona, uye mhlambe lozosebenza vele kube yinkinga nje, libele kuba yinkinga, angithi yabona. So thothi nayo uactor ngathi umdliwa, angithi yabona. So that's when then you find ukuthi kahle kunokuthi aparulwe ukuze azosebenza kahle kahle umndawo ekumele acelele ukuthi akhululwe, ahambe abuyele eMtapa, ahambe ngamanzi, and mhlambe ukuthi ke kula sekazohambiswa nelentuza
Basket yakhe.
yes, nebasket yakhe amalentuza amabhayi wakhe, into zakhe, bese uyacelelwa, uyageza ugezwe ngalendlela leyo ngemithi yamandawo, bese ke from lapho acelelwe akhululwe ahambe. Uthola ukuthi after that has been done,
Yes.
ngeke uphinde uhlushwe isimo somndawo, ukuthi kahle into esisele kuwe manje sekuphakama izithunywa zakho yizo sezifuna ukusebenza, and that's it.
Okay. Yeah, that's deep.
Yes.
That's super deep. Now when it comes to umdliwa ke futhi, does it ngathini? Mama asithi naku uyakungena ke. Does it take time to ukuthi uqale umanifeste bese usebenze la kuwena, or it's a spirit whereby nje once nje wakungena ziyaduma?
In all honesty, I can't really say a time frame.
Okay.
Ne? I can't really say a time frame. Khona umuntu ozokutshela ukuthi uthe mhlambe mekalela waza mhlambe ngingena umoya obandayo.
Yes.
Right, ungene nje umoya obandayo unga understand.
Yes.
And then from lapho sekathola saqala, yabona, sokuba yilokho mhlambe sekaphupha. Then sokuba into that builds up from lapho. So it differs from person to person, and also it will depend ukuthi mhlambe nabantu abakuvikelayo ba strong kangakanani phezulu kwakho. Kwenye uthola umuntu ungenwa abantu abanamandla straight, amakhosi azovela athi lo moya lo Yesu ukhona kodwa ngeke sivume sizowulwisa. Angithi yabona. Yes,
to operate emntwini.
yes.
Okay. And then with umdliwa, in as much as uthi it's a water spirit.
I didn't say it's a water spirit.
Okay, oh, you can find it.
Ungathola nasemanzini, ungathola entabeni. So remember, it's like also from a point, asikise ukuphazamisa, also from a point of mhlambe kokunye even nje ukuphahla.
Yes.
Right. We're opening a portal.
Yes.
Once it's phahla, there's a spiritual portal evulekayo.
Yes.
Kunemimoya that says sifuna indawo yokuhlala. Angithi yabona. So when uthi uvula le portal yokuphahla, vele kube naleso spirit ezovela sithi ha dala silindile. Sifike sikungene.
So in that instance, mawuphahla si base up maybe ekhaya noma just anywhere lapho zokuphahla khona.
So it can happen ekhaya, it can happen entabeni. Sometimes ingakho kunokuthiwa kunomdliwa osekhaya who's tormenting literally everyone ekhaya. Yes.
Okay, no, I get it. And then, so back to the question I was about to ask. With umdliwa, does it come across as some sort of water spirit, ne? Or uphinde touch a base nasemngunini, ukuthi maybe ugcine soba uthokoza, cover both spirits zomnguni nomdawo, or it just mainly focuses on it mimicking as one spirit?
Okay. Abanye bazongichaza bangayichaza better, right? But angithi
with your knowledge
from where I am. So I'm going to start again and say azangithi kahle from uphuma emanidlozi asemanzini.
Yes.
Ne? In most cases uthola ukuthi uzoza as idlozi asentabeni, as umnguni.
Okay.
Basically angithi uyabona.
Yes.
So kula mhlawumbe uzolibela akunikeza wonke lamabhayi umnguni, akunikeza wonke lamabeats.
Okay,
Angithi
makes
uyabona.
sense now,
Yes. So in most cases uthola ukuthi liza as ingakho mengithi you find ukuthi mhlambe some of these spirits waba umuntu washonela entabeni because why. Yes. Now mengithi amanzi, then I was referring to ukuthi mhlambe ukuthi lolahlwa emanzini lihambe namanzi.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
So but ke njoba ngisho ngithi mhlambe abanye ke abazi better bazosicacisela ukuthi mhlambe ke we are able to also mhlambe silithole mhlambe nelasemanzini, but my knowledge kakhulu that I've seen from abantu engidile nabo kakhulu kwindlozi lomnguni.
Okay.
That's why also if ungake sithi siyabheka kunamadlozi amaningi angafuna amanzi.
Yes.
Yes. Kunamadlozi amaningi angafuna amanzi.
Please kindly share why. Because I'm intrigued by that statement.
Angazi topic for another day, but kunamadlozi amaningi angafuna amanzi.
Okay.
Kwesinye isikhathi munga uqaphele kakhulu ngamanzi siyahlambulula.
Yes.
Angithi uyabona. So uyothola ukuthi mhlambe kwabanye eminye imimoya ngithi nje imimoya engeke ifuna amanzi because mezo yemanzini izohamba.
Oh. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. That's why uzothola ukuthi then mhlawumbe umuntu akwenza ukuthi mina amanzi
Yes.
umnikazi kanti also sekukuthi mhlambe kunemimoya also ethi kahle mongasisa lapha ya weke bese kuphelile ngathi ngeke sisaba namandla. Yes. Khona amadlozi uthola ukuthi mhlambe vele kakhulu agxile entabeni. Angithi yabona afuna izinto zasentabeni. Angithi yabona mhlambe ukuthi kunamagedla akungenile athi nje thina into esihlangane namanzi asihlangani nje nayo, sifunela nje kuphela ukuphila la entabeni on the surface. Angithi yabona. So into yamanzi is not for everyone. Kunabantu abaphiwa impande yasemanzini.
Yes.
Kunabantu abama hybrids abaphiwe yasemanzini, even
Yes, intabeni.
yasentabeni ehlane kanjalo angithi
Yes.
yabona, and then kunabantu abaphiwe nje kuphela entabeni, that's it. So ama gift abantu they different, they different, asiphiwanga ngokufanele futhi nje ngeke saphiwa ngokufana. Yes, the same way singathatha impande manje yasemanzini
Yes.
sifundise umuntu umnguni sithi thatha na impande yethu mhlawumbe umnikeze impande afollow exactly the same process oyenza every day,
Yes.
utho uthi ngeke imsebenzele. Yes, because leyo mpande kumadlozi akhe alikho idlozi elikwazi ukuthi lisebenze ngaleyo mpande leyo, alinasikhiya sokuya emanzini.
Okay, so as we are slowly shifting from the topic yomdliwa,
Yes.
I just wanna ask ke ukuthi now in terms of ke asithi abantu abadala nako baphile leyo mpando what not, as nje just a particular individual or a particular healer, kushuthi it's really much important to know ukuthi wena mhlawumbe amandla akho angakuphi kakhulu, you know, as opposed to just being all over the place, flaunting nje emoyeni, following whichever mpande mhlawumbe singathi ikhona, you know, because I'd like to believe ukuthi in as much as there's a lot of healers, some of them may be confused ukuthi okay bawela on which side noma yiphi impande bahambi baphilisa noma baphiwe yona ukuthi baphile ngayo.
Yazi into impande ijulile,
Okay.
ijulile kakhulu because khona umuntu ongaphiwa impande alele,
Okay.
angazange hamba yothwasa, angazange yakuphi, bese sithi self initiate,
Okay.
uphiwe nje impande yakhe and that's it. Khona ukuthi ungahamba uyothwasa
Yes.
uzithole zonke le impande lezi zingakusebenzeli.
Okay.
Yes, zonke ungene la zingakusebenzeli. Babuye abantu bakini bazokuthwasisa bona.
Okay.
Yes, bazokuthwasisa bona. Usuqedile ukuthwasa.
Yo.
Yes, usuhambile wangena iphehlo wayenzani.
Yes.
Then uthi mose uqedile uthi ubuye ekhaya. Qale bakunikeze mhlambe year or 2 years or 3 years. Usathwasiswa yibo ke manje.
Wow.
Yes. Then uthi musu uqeda intwaso yabo,
Yes.
then sebakunikeza impande yabo.
Oh.
Not yonke lebo libilo hamba uyilanda.
Wow.
Yes. So uthola ukuthi umnikazi wesikhwama
Yes.
thikithi mhlawumbe umndawo
Yes.
uhambe zonke le impande zomnguni kanjalo libilo yangena isithunywa kanjalo.
Yes. Yes.
Ne? Bakunikeza zonke into zabo bakuvulela indumba benzeni. Ilibele nje engasebenzi. Ulibele nje nokublame uthi hayi lokho bele ngibuya kuye ungivalile. Nayi lokho bele ngithwase kuye ungivalile ungidlela umona ubona amandla. There's something sometimes enokwenza umuntu eze esigodleni sakho
Yes.
and then athi mase esigodleni sakho azothwasa bona ahlole kanje.
Yes.
Yes. Athi mekaphuma dololo akaboni,
Hello.
which affects a lot of people. Ne? Akaboni. Now uzoqala sometimes vele kuzoba ukuthi ugobela umvalile.
Yes.
But sometimes uthi ugobela has done nothing. Bekuwukuthi idlozi lakhe lithande impande kaGobela. Yiyo kade imnikeza amandla njengoba beka kuleso sigodlo.
Yes. Yo.
Uthola ukuthi ke sizothi ke mhlawumbe umuntu siyathi sekaphumile kuthiwa idlozi mhlawumbe ugobela umvalile
Yes.
kanjani, kanti kwesinye isikhathi is not even the case.
Okay.
Kokunye njengoba ngisho ukuthi uthola ukuthi mhlawumbe idlozi lakho lithande le yampani, right?
Okay.
Now kunalento esizothi thina mhlawumbe mekukhulunywa ngemfihlo.
Yes.
Angithi mekukhulunywa ngemfihlo kuthiwa moso uphuma uqeda kumele uthole imfihlo.
Yes.
So as much as mhlawumbe ngahamba kufihlwa imbuzi kufihlwe ini
Yes.
kusese nemfihlo yokuthola impande.
Okay.
Angazi if ungezwa kahle.
Okay, yes,
So
ngiyakuzwa.
ungaphuma ingakho kwesinye isikhathi uthola ukuthi umunye ugobela ngeke akunikeze yonke into yakhe.
Okay.
Yes, angeke akunikeze yonke into yakhe. Yes, mose esigodleni sakhe uphakame kusebenze like kusebenzeke kakhulu, but by the time uphuma uthi ungenzeki lutho. Kwesinye isikhathi hayi ngoba mhlawumbe njengoba ngisho ukuthi ugobela ukuvalile,
Yes.
but kwesinye isikhathi ngoba le mpande le idlozi lakho lithi hey man sifuna le mpande yalo muntu akasinikezanga le mpande. Angithi yabona.
Yes.
So now uthi mose ufika la kwesinye isikhathi uthi ukunikile but ayihambelani nani nabavikeli basekhaya.
Okay.
Khumbula also siba nedlozi lomsebenzi siphinde kodwa sibe nabavikeli.
Okay.
Angithi yabona
Yes.
futhi mhlambe kusese nalabo abangakahlambuluki khona laba bathi hayi thina lempanda siyifuna. Angithi yabona futhi mhlambe ugobela ukunikeza yonke into
Yes.
inhliziyo emhlophe uthi ayibona nazi izinto zakho hamba usebenza. Uthi mawufika lapha kini uthi nje cha uyala.
Sure.
Angithi yabona mhlambe abavikeli basekhaya bathi hayi thina lempande le asiyifuni.
Sure.
Angithi yabona khona mhlambe amakhathakhatha
Yes.
afakiwe la esingahambelani nawo.
Sure.
Angithi yabona
Yes.
so kulana kuzothola ukuthi mesekuhamba isikhathi ke kufanele kuze umnikazi lo mhlamba umsebenzi o mhlamba amagedla ezazokunikeza impande yakho.
Okay.
Angithi yabona
Yes.
ezokwazi ukuxhumana nedlozi lakho. Angithi yabona
Yes.
so as much as kulula yes kuba buhlungu ukuthi mhlawumbe uhamba uyathwasa uphume bese utsho ukuthi hayi uzothi mase uphumile uzosebenza kuzoba neline
Yes.
bese uthi mase lentuza nothing ibhlungu lonto leyo but reality is not wonke umuntu ongena ephehlweni uzothi makaphuma uzosebenza uzoba nayo insebenzo
Yes.
kwesinye isikhathi kunabantu abangenayo insebenzo at all.
Sure. That's just super deep. And nakhona ke Khehla asithi ke naku ke idlozi lakho selikunikile maybe impande yakho. Is it now a matter of having to discard lempande lo ithole kaGobela noma you are able to mix the two and just run with it?
Kwesinye isikhathi njoba ngichaza ukuthi kokunye ingahambelana nabantu bakini
Yes.
bayivume bese bathi hayi mhlambe from la iyashoda futhi nale yakunikeze yona thina sifuna ukuthi uthake uzufake nalokhu ufake nalokhu
Okay.
so that ihambe according to lento abayifunayo.
Oh.
Angithi yabona
Okay.
so it's when bona sebafika nabo sebakutshela ukuthi hayi from la eda nalokhu uthi umangala ukuthi yeye idlule kaGobela ke manje ke angithi uyabona so kuyenzeka ukuthi ithwasa lidlule uGobela
Yes.
kube ukuthi but kanjani angithi yabona because lempande iphume kuGobela kanti cha idlozi lakhe selifike nalo la eda okwalo.
Okay. No, that's
Yes.
very much informative. Then can we just touch on indaba yewayithinta nje kuselamova nje kancane with regards to having also self initiates.
Oh,
You know?
yes.
Ukuthi okay sharp as ushilo ukuthi kokunye umuntu idlozi lakhe liyamthwasisa and whatsoever. Like in that part nje or in that context, like how does it come about? And if we self initiate naga abantu bakini noma abantu abakuphethe ibabathwasisa nantuntunu, do you also regard yourself as isangoma or porofita or what? Kindly explain to us.
Into yama self initiate is I think iphinde ijule nayo on its own.
Okay.
Iphinde ijule on its own. Kunabantu abangenwa yithunywa obangenwe idlozi elizothi thina samba nobukhosi.
Okay.
Akunamuntu or akunasigodlo esingasiphakamisa. Yes. Futhi noma ungahamba wena uthi ngiyothwasa lapha akunasigodlo esingaphakamisa labantu ohamba nabo. Angithi yabona so ozothola ukuthi ibona sebathi thina sokwenza ngendlela yethu esazi ngayo.
Okay.
So iphiwo zabantu azifani and we find ourselves kwesinye isikhathi uthola ukuthi gonna keep on saying no ayikho lento leyo abantu wonke umuntu umela hamba yothwasa. It's debatable. Angisho ukuthi abasho kanjalo ba wrong.
Yes.
But it's a very debatable lentoza because
Yes.
khona abantu othola ukuthi I mean I've met quite a lot of abantu whereby uthola ukuthi ba self initiate. Yes bazoza mina mhlambe abantu bakubo bazothi okay bakhanyisele nje kuphela ngalokho
Yes.
and that's it. Lithi nje idlozi lakhe ungake nje ulinge uthi angithi yabona all we want from you ukuthi cacisela ingane yethu nga 1 2 3 4 5 that's it. Ahamba umuntu mhlawumbe uyobuya after unyaka or 2 years or 3 years
Yes.
mekabuya mkhulu la wangikhanyisela khona ngicela ukuthi siqhubeke futhi ngoba naku sebabuyile bathi ngiphinde ngibuye because yonke le journey uhambo engalithatha from ukuthi ngize kuwena sengila and umuntu ujampela uthi yo lo muntu the way la sekakhona manje ubona ukuthi yeah yes because khona abantu abadala I'll also take maybe my part a bit yesithunywa as much as kuyisithunywa when I started emva ukuthi ngehlelo ingilosi I had to serve I had to serve before ngiyothwasa so from 2013 already ingilosi meyehla I had already sakumele ngiprofeta abantu khipha amakhandlela khulekela abantu now can you imagine ukuthi from 2013 ukuya 2017 already I was serving uthi use restaurant uhleli bese bathi iyakuleya muntu loya
sure
angithi yabona so it was now my phase uthunywe bathi hamba yokuphi hamba ukhulekela abantu hamba wenzani so to a point ukuthi as much as would give abantu amakhandla ukuthi mina into engiyaziyo ilamakhandlela angithi yabona you aphilisayo because at first message isithunywa kwaba ukuthi nje thandaza but then you meet people who like how yini into onganginikeza wona like khuluma ngani manje yini ngakunikeza yona ngoba just praying just praise then after lapho ke waba ukuthi now sing like awusithunywa cela ningikhanyisele because abantu balibele bathi they need something from lapho ngaphuphisa amakhandlela robot candles angithi yabona mangichazela la makhandlela asebenza kanje okay fine from amakhandlela anyone that I will encounter ngizomtshela ukuthi ithola amakhandlela kanje siwakhulekele umuntu then comes back and says yo into zami seziyakhanya ngiyabonga kakhulu angithi yabona so up until ama problems started now rising in terms of now nabantu that I would actually encounter angithi yabona so that's when then also need to that sekuyisikhathi ke manje sekuyisikhathi yes labaya kade ubakhanyisela yes kade baphila but sekukhona another level okumele ungene kuyo so that's when now so hamba sengifunda amabhavu so uyofunda zonke le insebenzo yes now ungena already
you've been serving and
already angithi yabona so already I was self-initiated already at that particular time so that is why noma sengena khona for me it was already easy because I've been doing this angithi yabona so nakhona uthi ukuthi noma soqeda sebathi asifuni yonke le process mhlambe we just want this Tina now we're going to take you through our own initiation again angithi yabona so you are thinking when as soon as bangivulela indawo yokusebenza shuthi ziyakhala mos uzoba busy can't you know but no we're still going to take you through the initiation so they also come back and choose according to ithunywa zakho so it does happen ukuthi ama self initiate ongazuthola ukuthi futhi bambulelwa even way more than umuntu olento ohambe wayothwasa because I'll explain also ama issues also that they would encounter without nje ukukhula you'd also find ukuthi leso sithunywa asilawuleki yes it doesn't have limits because khumbula ukuthi moyo thwasa whether siya kwisithunywa whether siya kuphi sizothola imithetho right uzotshela mhlawumbe umthetho weshoba so or kwisithunywa angithi yabona kanje iswasho ngeke usebenzise whatever now umuntu who is a self initiate isithunywa sakhe is pure
wow
it's pure right asinamthetho esothi ifola andimpande kabani so at the same time you can still say ukuthi umuntu onjalo is also dangerous
true that's
yes umuntu who's a self initiate is also dangerous because direction yakhe it can fall anyway that's why sometimes also it might feel ukuthi kuba ngathi they are intimidating those are already established because yes because umuntu who is a self initiate actually is someone who is actually pure
wow okay
yes so abanye also from a point of process of being a self initiate you know remember, spiritually there's also time. It's between time and space.
Yes.
So you'd find ukuthi usese is self-initiate at that particular time. Angithi yabona ukuthi mhlambe 10 years later kuzofika isikhathi ke sebathi ayi manje lokho besikufundisa yabo sesokufundisa sesikuphekile thina.
Yes.
Now sesithi hamba uye kwempande kazibani bani. Angithi yabona usuyothola nje lokuncane, then that's it. Awuyikohlala awuyothwasa 6 months angithi yabona ukuthi mhlawumbe you gonna just go lo 3 months or mhlawumbe uzoya nje uye nje ulibeluya uthole lapho nalapho, and then that's it.
So it's basically the same way as it happened to you, as Ushukus, you've been practicing or you've been serving before.
Yes.
And then you went we phehlo lakho, you were taught whatever lokufundisiwe, and abantu abadala they picked whatever babona ukuthi izobasebenzela noma le bayifuna. After ke waqhubeka ke
100%. 100%.
Wow. So as someone or you self-initiate or think it nje self-initiate, because no, you're not one, or you were before.
I was before.
Okay.
So remember, there's always spirituality is always changing. It's always revolving.
True.
Right? Now I can be under into us of someone who belongs somewhere.
Yes.
Esikolweni.
Yes.
Ne? Then uthola ukuthi kube a certain level esabafuna ukufaka kuyo.
Okay.
So meba kufaka le level leya,
Yes.
again they're going to take you through this self-initiate process again.
Okay.
Before bangathi ke manje hamba uye lapha.
Okay. So but ne, if that's the case, shuti in a way wonke umuntu including nalabo abathwasile,
Yes.
ubu self-initiate buba khona, because mawuqeda ukuthwasa or noma ekuthwaseni you are not given everything noma yonke imithi. Eminye imithi ufundiswa abantu abakuphethe, ezinye zeinsebenzo futhi abafuna ukuthi maybe usi-add esikolweni ilabantu abakuphethe ukuthi hayi no, phezu kwalokho nakho thanisela ngalokho.
Yes,
In a way.
it's perspectives. Yes,
In a way.
Ngiyavumelana. If so uhlala kahle ngoyibheka ngokujula
Yes.
ukuthi kahle kahle le ndlela le, it's so tricky ukuthi you can go hamba uyofunda. It's like isikolo, like you go to
Yes.
school, right? Singahamba sonke sifunda incwadi eyi1, right? Uqeda umatric,
Yes.
and then lese mhlambe ke uye college or awusayi college.
Yes.
After bazokufaka isikolo, like ungena isikolo se life of hustling, ungena isikolo se life, so you
Yes.
become again an initiate again, but led by your own people.
Okay.
Angithi ayithola.
Yes.
Then up until mhlawumbe uphinde futhi bathi hayi hamba university. So
Okay.
that break,
Yes.
it was them also lentoza, whether sizokuye ithunywa zakho, God just saying hey okwamanje akufunda ukuhlakanipha kwempilo. Mazike zikushaye nje kancane, and leyo process ukuthi ushayeke
Yes.
yiyo i-process ukuthi you are being initiated. I'll also make an example ngesithunywa. Isithunywa sometimes can be tricky.
Okay.
As much as sizothi ngiloso kukhanya,
Yes.
it also requires darkness ukuze ikufundise what light is.
Okay. In
So
which way?
isithunywa kwesinye isikhathi it can allow you,
Yes.
ithi yabona lapha yakunomlilo, siwufihle lo yamlilo,
Yes.
so that you can go,
Sure. Okay.
right? Which now what it does, it's putting you in a position ukuthi the human aspect of you,
Yes.
let it be on a free will.
Okay.
Angithi yabona. So
Yes.
there's free will and then there's iwill yesithunywa
Okay.
or yedlozi abantu abadala kanjalo. Angithi.
Okay.
So allow, but hayi hamba ushela lapha. And allow you peacefully.
Yes.
Uye. Uthi mosoyile, bad things happen. Right?
Yes.
Now everyone around was like, how? What's a gifted akayibonanga lento? Kanjani? Right? Kanjani
Yes.
angayibonanga? Kanti hayi isithunywa yise senze kanjalo. It allowed that to happen. Wedlozi allowed that to happen. Because there's a new lesson esebafuna ukufaka kuyo.
Okay.
You understand?
Yes.
Kube like mhlambe ingozi,
Yes.
whether car accident or mhlambe ukuthi uzobanjwa inkunzi.
Yes.
Idlozi lakho nje likiye kulibele uthi mina ngipowerful. Lithulele nje lithi seka powerful. All right. Yes, bakiyeke.
Yeah.
Nini phuma kwakho ubanjwa inkunzi.
Sure.
Othola car accident bona imoto ithi right off uphume no right.
Sure.
Yes. Udmo uphuma.
Yes.
Now everyone around you but how lo muntu powerful akayibonanga lengozi. Why ngajikanga? Ngona nguyivimba wangaqinisanga imoto yakhe.
Sure.
Right?
Yes.
Because now isithunywa idlozi uNkulunkulu, the universe says as much as you think you have it all,
Yes.
you must always remember there's a higher source. Angithi yabantu.
Yes.
Yes. As much as ungayitshela ukuthi usuyazi, if you can look at literally almost everyone who has a gift, everyone, whether be it is a gift, or in fact if you just look at your life, even the most intelligent person from a schoolway, right? They can be book smart,
Yes.
super intelligent.
Yes.
Nithi maniqeda isikole nihlane naye uthi like how lo muntu lo ehlakaniphe kanje ngithought ukuthi
Yes.
you understand? Uthi ukuthi they were book smart.
Yes.
But when it comes to life, bona, they are the opposite. So God allows certain things to happen. Whether noma singahamba sibuyele eBhayibhelini, it's still the same thing. The same thing happens. The same thing. You understand?
Yes.
Why didn't according to the Bible which is angazange stop Judas? Ushilo ukuthi uzongenza kanje, but why couldn't you stop it?
Yes.
Because sometimes God allows certain things to happen so that azokufundisa what faith is all about. So as azokufundisa again ukuthi you are not in charge.
Wow.
Yes.
Okay.
So the ego that we normally have
Yes.
when sesitsho ukuthi hayi manje mina lento ngiyayishaya, mina lento
Yes.
labo idlozi lithi so uyayiphakamisa. Lithi usuyayiphakamisa ukhohle ukuthi konje ukuthwasa bese kufundisa ukuthi uzithobe. Wena usuyayiphakamisa bakugile, bakuvulela izitha eziyimillion.
Sure.
Yes. Isichitho sedlozi is the worst.
Sikhululekile
Bayede.
Amen.
amathunzi ezihlahla amanzi ahlanzekile